पानी खत्म हो गया. Has it started? Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Priya Singh and I run by the name BS Priya Singh Official _ on my all social media handles, and today I'm here again. Today I'm going to talk about my skin care recommendation, and this is not gonna be like the color green on me. And this is not gonna be my skincare routine. This is gonna be my skincare ritual, a manifestation with you. And so it had been a struggle for me that I was actually literally called by the name Kalu. When I was born, I was in darker color. I was literally blue in color, and my mom was like, oh my god, I mean, she should be healthy. I don't want anything else for her. And the reason behind it, that I actually was diagnosed with psoriasis. That point of time, my family also did not know what to do, because I was not having a clearer skin, and my skin was showing rashes, abrasions, peeling was there, and pigmentation, and I was already darker in color. The two sisters I have, they're conventionally beautiful, and like I was always compared to that, and I felt that nobody loves me and all that. Yes, I had that trauma. I mean, मैंने हमेशा से सुना था बचपन से that I'm not pretty, that I am not conventionally pretty girl. I had this one goal in my life, to have a clearer skin, to have a beautiful skin, and people should find me pretty and beautiful at that point of time. But it helped me to get, to actually manifest and have a better life and better skin right now. And that had been the source of energy for me, that I will be pretty, beautiful, confident, self-independent woman. I'm actually happy the way my skin looks and the way I have balanced this lifestyle. To be a beauty influencer with this particular autoimmune condition had been an altogether a big achievement for me. Manifestation, spirituality, and everything has a lot to do with it. I'm going to talk about all of that in this video. But firstly, I have ordered a lot of stuff from Amazon. Amazon should pay me for this video, but this is not. So skincare manifestation, skincare routine for a brighter skin, for a healthier skin had been my, skincare routine, where I constantly focus on providing products to my skin which are healthy also, and they work, they're budget friendly also, and they provide nutrition to the skin. I never wanted to be fairer, but I wanted to have a brighter skin too. I was saying that when I wash my face, I do keep that in my mind, that my face wash has some amount of peeling agent like glycolic acid and salicylic acid or lactic acid in it, so that it takes out all the dead skin or dirt from my skin. I don't want to have peeling sessions with my dermat that costs really heavy. And some niacinamide or hyaluronic acid in this, so that provides moisture also, because sometimes you wash face from these face washes which have peeling agents, and they dries up your skin, and that is not something I want, because dehydrated skin is unhealthy skin, and we don't want to do that. So one peeling agent I really like to have, and I'm currently using this one. This is working good for me, brightens up my skin. I really feel the farak after that effect. I like to actually pat dry my face, use face tissues. I don't actually like to use towel, because if it is not dried properly, so damp towels, they can accumulate fungus that can cause infection. So it's better to use the dry tissues, and I just pat dry my face after this. This is really good practice, and I really recommend it to everybody. And then I apply my serums. In morning I apply hair vitamin C, however you like to pronounce it. I pronounce it both ways. Is rich in antioxidants. I have vitamin C here from these two brands. One is Foxtail and one is from Kamri. Because I'm using a proper combination of this particular brand, face wash, sunscreen and serum, so I'm using it currently. I'll put a review after a month, because I will definitely try to give at least 2 to 3 weeks to it, and then I'll record it. I'll let you know that how this combination worked on me, but as so far so good. It is claiming to have skin brightening effect. गोरा नहीं बनाएगा, but it will brighten up your skin. I really like this brand also, Foxtail. It has vitamin C brightening serum, and it is also really nice. It reduces dark spots. It is also for all skin types. It has moisturization at the same time, and people who deal with dry skin or their skin behaves differently in different season, like sensitive skin or somebody who has developed acne, it is something good for your skin. Niacinamide is for moisturization, and when your skin is nicely hydrated, it is healthy. The struggle of me dealing with psoriasis was that I cannot stay in cities which are humid. Whenever there is enough humidity and heat, my skin just shows up badly. What I feel, and when I'm choosing products, they should be made and customized especially according to Indian climate and Indian skin tone and texture. I do have pigments. Whenever I developed a rash or acne or psoriasis, it leaves mark, dark pigmented mark, and it is really difficult to get rid of that marks. I don't have any marks on my face, but if I do have, there are 2 spot reduction serums which I really like, and this one is from Foxtail. I really like the color also, pink color. The other one is from Dermaco. They both have tranexamic acid. They both work on depigmentation on the particular spot. So if you have melasma on pigments and marks on your face, if basically those pigments are because of higher melanin concentration and that particular point on a spot on your face, so they are good for the spot reduction, reduces marks, and hyperpigmentation, evens out skin tone. So I have high hopes from you, Foxtail. I hope you work, because if you don't, then we're not talking. We're not talking. In evening, I switched to retinol, and this is another one good brand which I have started using lately. I don't use harsh retinol because I have psoriasis. I mean, I don't have literally on me, but I can develop psoriasis because I have that autoimmune condition. If my skin is too dry, then I can develop that. So I have to provide enough moisturization, antioxidants and protection to my skin. So while choosing retinol, it has to be a composition in creme based composition, and it has creme in it. And yeah, it is for all skin types, so I highly recommend this thing also. So I have these 2 sunscreen. I double sunscreen. Yes, I am like so paranoid with it, because I have realized if you do not apply decent amount of sunscreen, then your skin gonna have bad effect. Whenever I choose a sunscreen, I make sure it has SPF 50, because Indian climate ke hisab se SPF 50 is enough. Anything below that, anything above that doesn't work on Indian skin tone. So I use this one. Water resistant and skin lightening, skin brightening effect it also has, and moisturization. So I do like to use it, and after I apply my makeup, I do carry one, and I have recently purchased this one from Ecologica. It is budget friendly, SPF 50, water lock, hydration, detanning. And what I love about this thing, that firstly it has this knob to open it, and then you can apply it over makeup also. I like to do. Yeah, and I have to check if everything is settled on my skin or not. So I really like it. Reapplication of sunscreen is also important. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't spoil makeup, and that's the thing I really like about it. That is my daily skincare routine. Face wash, serum, pat dry with tissue. Then we have serums. Then we have moisture. I have skipped moisturizer. How can I skip moisturizer? I cannot skip moisturizer. This particular moisturizer, this is from Kamri brand. What I like about it, it has compositions which reduces the inflammation of the skin, redness of the skin, and this is also in with yellow color, so that brightens up skin and skin panacea, you will say. And ये बहुत ही कम लगता है. I like to take it like this. I really like it. ये moisturizer, this is the best moisturizer as of now. Like for this season, मेरे को जब से ये मिला है, I just love this one. But I do apply makeup also. I have this one from Mamaearth. I have to try. Chose this one because it has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, antioxidant and hydration. I haven't utilized any CC cream ever, but it is actually nice. Let's just try it. Should I be dabbing it? Let me just try dabbing it and see. So this is hydrating. I can clearly see that. पर ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मेरी स्किन टोन को मैच नहीं कर रहा है ना. I definitely have to blush, but no. It is nice. It is actually nice. This is actually nice, guys. Can you just see? I love it. As of now, I love it. I don't know for how long it is gonna last, but as of now, I like it. This is about the products. Now I'm gonna come to brighter skin manifestation. One mantra I followed, I think at the age of 15, 16, I don't remember the age exactly, that skincare manifestation, that praying in that way, manifesting good skin, body health is actually working. So whenever you are dealing with any condition, be it skin, be it health condition, praying also plays an important part, and manifestation plays an important part. And I used to pray this, manifest this thing, that my skin is becoming better, every tissue and cell is becoming better, healthy hormones I have happy hormones in my body, and everything is going good. The products I'm applying, the medicines I'm taking, the diet I'm taking, everything is working to make my body free of this disease. And I used to pray it, and it worked for me. Honestly, it worked for me. And now I'm here talking about all those products as a beauty influencer. I can't even tell you that actually having a skin manifestation help. Like, we manifest money, we manifest career, we manifest so many things in life, but this is something which can help, and it has helped me so far. So good. Guide oneself to have skin manifestation, and that way you will not respond to toxicity around you, because when you're dealing with bad skin, maybe it color, be it sometimes people belittle you because of the way you look, and if you're dealing with some kind of disorder, acne or whatever, but giving good thoughts to your body, you just kind of feel good all the time. Just isolate yourself from people for a certain point of time and don't think about them, and beauty will work. Beauty will do wonders. Honestly, it has worked for me, it will definitely work for you. This life is all about bettering yourself and becoming a better person, and healthier and happy and beautiful person. Bye.